Because today you are the universe.
Woohoo!
And we celebrate you.
We came up with just a few examples of books off our bookshelf that reminded us of you when we look at them. And the first one also reminds us of being kids, reading the dictionary for fun.
And forbidden words. I mean, just look at all the stuff, just the words alone that you know. I mean, that's prodigious. Actually is. The Crack of the Cosmic Egg is appropriate for you because if you haven't read it, I recommend it. And secondly, we both kind of have that suave Eggman look going on, and
Cuckoo Couture.
I thought you could relate to that.
So the next is Bernd Heinrich's Mind of the Raven. Your appreciation for the natural world and for just learning across all kinds of disciplines and sharing that with us touches our hearts. And we appreciate your gardening and your bird feeding and just everything you do.
I could easily imagine you being in this conversation between a Buddhist monk and an astrophysicist talking about their fascination with the nature of reality.
Because, Paul, your wisdom is wide and deep. And not just the wisdom of your mind, the wisdom of your heart as well. We're so thankful for you.
Yes, we are, friend. This is just a book representing shameless self-promotion since Stan Herman wrote it and I did the artwork for it. So I don't know why it's in here other than that.
I do. I know why it's in here. Because when we think about the Christ nature that humans can embody and how our intention toward that matters in this world, we think of you.
Yes, we do. And I know this past year has sparked some reaction in you as to some of the political shenanigans that take place in our country, and that you might want to recommend to the world this book from the Dalai Lama on ethics for the new millennium. So there's hope.
Appreciate your deeply ethical approach.
Yes.
And no birthday tribute with books from our shelves would be complete for you without my calculus textbook. Paul, when I think about the amount of just raw intelligence that it's taken for you to study the things you have and to put those gifts and talents to use for us as a society in the ways that you have, I really appreciate what that takes. Thank you, our friend. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Woo, we love you.
Woo-hoo.
The book that I thought of right away for you would be The Mastery of Self. This is by the authors that did the Four Agreements series. Really good book, and I think you might be there. If not, if you have any doubts, check it out. And this really cool thing, the fifth agreement, which comes after the four agreements, this is perfect for us head-type people. Be skeptical, but learn to listen. Don't believe yourself or anyone else. Use the power of doubt to question everything you hear. Is it really the truth? Listen to the intent behind the words, and you will understand the real message. So as a 6, I think I really overtook that advice, but I think you can relate too. So happy post-birthday. I'm so happy I know you and Joyce. Have a wonderful year. Love you.
Happy birthday, Paul. We're wishing you the happiest of days. You are one of my very favorite fives. I so appreciate your curious, inquisitive mind. You are very loved.
Hello, Paul. The books that I pulled off my bookshelf that embody your journey and you to me are as follows. I got two. The first is The Journey of the Heart. Hopefully you can see this. It might be backwards, so I will simply read it aloud. Of course, for me, oh my God, when I saw Journey of the Heart, I mean, to have overcome so many health challenges within your own physical heart, but also for me to get to witness you journey more fully from your head to your heart in the time I've known you in our contemplative Enneagram groups, how you've embraced and connected, of course, not only with your beloved Joyce, but with our whole community, has been so touching for me to witness, for you to let us into your life and be part of it is such a gift to me. So The Journey of the Heart, again, possibly backwards, but this is good. This is fun. And then one more, Thriving Through Uncertainty. And for me, again, just this notion of like what you've been through and yet you've thrived in your life. You've created such an amazing world in life, and I'm so blessed to be part of it in the midst of so much unknown, right, in terms of health, etc. But I want to say also this theme of thriving through uncertainty for me relates to your capacity now in this work of the Enneagram 5 of opening to the mystery of life, opening to what is unknown and possibly even, dare I say, unknowable. And so, like the unwritten pages of the book of your life, even though we don't know what will be on those pages, I do hope that I will get to be a part of the rest of this story of Paul. I love you. We cherish you in our community and are so grateful to know you and hope that you have an out of this world birthday. Mwah.